Are you looking to increase traffic to your Shopify store without spending a dime? Today, we'll explore 10 effective strategies to drive free traffic to your online store. First, focus on search engine optimization to improve your store's visibility on Google. Optimize your product descriptions and use relevant keywords to attract organic search traffic. Create engaging blog content related to your products to drive traffic from search engines. Utilize social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest to promote your products. Engage with your followers, run contests, and share customer testimonials to increase brand awareness. Collaborate with influencers in your industry to reach a wider audience and drive traffic to your store. Utilize email marketing by sending out newsletters and promotional offers to your subscribers. Join online communities and forums related to your niche to engage with potential customers. Offer discounts and promotions to attract new customers and encourage repeat sales. Don't forget to track your traffic sources and analyze which methods are most effective for your store. By implementing these strategies, you can drive free traffic to your Shopify store and increase your sales.